Oh, finally I did it. I'm really feeling so much relaxed. You know why? Because it took a lot of time to find a conducive place. Actually, in the afternoon, I heard that people they started playing music. Plus, they started chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. That was very loud and clear. Still, they are playing. So I was little worried that how would I create my video. Even I got ready, I went in my garden and I tried. But I found that their voice was very loud and clear. So I had to call off making my video being in my garden. So I just came at my home. I went on my roof, stayed forward, and I tried over there also. But vehicle noise plus that chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra loudly, it didn't let me make my video good way. So I thought what to do. I was little tensed. Then I started searching one place, and finally I found this place. Actually, this is my new house. My family member, they are getting it constructed. And when I came here, I found that it's good. um, they are playing, but their voice is not that much loud and clear. Okay, so I thought, okay, let me make my video being here, and that is why I'm feeling so much relaxed and so happy. So let's come on the topic that how to learn vocabulary. Many people they ask me कि vocabulary को कैसे learn करें. My friend, as we know, the more vocabulary we have, the better we are going to sound in English, the better we are going to speak this language, right? And that is why many people they are striving for learning vocabulary, and we are also, right? But we fail because we don't practice right way, and that is why we fail. Actually, I have seen many learners, what they do, they watch video, they read books, and they listen from somewhere. They come across many vocabulary, but what they do, they just listen and then their work is done. They don't do anything at all further. But my friend, if we want to keep those vocabulary in our mind for a long period of time, we need to do extra hard work. So what I do when I listen any vocabulary, जब मैं कुछ सुनती हूँ और मैं कुछ पढ़ती हूँ और जब मैं किसी न्यू वर्ड्स को देखती हूँ, देन आई ट्राई टू नोट देम डाउन. I try to note them down and try to make new sentences. I try to share with my friends. I try to record my video so that I can practice them enough, so that I can do exercise with them. And that is why those words retain in my mind for a long period of time. So this is the only way to keep new words in our mind, or else our mind has one tendency that it keep forgetting vocabulary, or it keep forgetting things, right? So if we want to keep these words in our mind, we need to practice enough. Okay, so usually what I do, I read, and I get a lot of vocabulary just by reading. But let me tell you one thing, as a beginner, I didn't do this kind of practice. I mean, I didn't start reading books because I wasn't able to understand. जब मैं एक बिगनर थी तो मैंने डायरेक्टली बुक रीडिंग करना नहीं शुरू किया, क्योंकि मैं समझ नहीं पाती थी. ओके, तो मैंने क्या किया, पहले मैंने बहुत सारे वर्ड्स सीखे. एंड हाउ डिड आई लर्न देम? आई went on YouTube and I just asked regular uses words. So I found thousands of words and I started practicing them. So we need to practice regular uses words. If you are a beginner, practice regular uses words, because if you know how to explain about your day-to-day life, if you know how to explain about environment or what is going around you, then one day you will be able to explain about anything. You will be able to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Okay, so start learning regular uses vocabulary, and you can find them on YouTube. It's very easy, my friend. So I started learning regular uses words. I started using them, and I found my English started elevating. My English started improving. So in your case also, if you want to improve English language, if you want to speak this language smoothly and effortlessly, then my friend, you need to do little hard work. I mean extra hard work. Because many people, they don't do. They just listen and read. I mean, they can also improve English language, but it will take time. But if we want to learn this language fast way, in short period of time, then we have to keep one thing in our mind, that we need to do hard work also. Okay, so this is the thing. Actually, most of the time in my case, I face challenges regarding place, that from where I can make my video. Why? Because I'm from village area, and here what I have been noticing, people, they play music very loudly. I don't have any problem if they are playing music, if they are dancing, if they are singing, or whatever they are doing. I don't have any problem. But if they are playing music very loudly, that other people, they cannot do their work, that time it creates problem. So I don't care that much every single day, but the day I have to create my video, I do care. So I was little worried, and I was thinking what to do for creating my video, but finally I found this place. I'm so happy, and I think that I'll try to record my video next day also, because this place is so good. I'm able to sit here, and I've kept my mobile there and recording my video. So this is the thing. Actually, in village, what happened? People, they have tendency to speak with each other very loudly. Even I do. Normal things also, we speak loudly. Everyone, they speak loud. So it's our habit. We try to convey our message little louder way. Why I'm saying this? Because you might be able to hear my neighbors, they are talking. They are talking very normally. They are not quarreling. But if you hear, you may feel, what is happening? Are they quarreling? Is something happened? No, it's normal. So why it happens? Because in village, people, they have tendency to speak little louder, and because of this reason, I don't create my video from my village. Whenever I have to create my video, I just go in my garden and try to create my video. Okay, so this is the thing. So I shared whatever I had to share. If you want to learn vocabulary fast way, or I mean, if you want to speak English language fluently, then you need to learn vocabulary. You need to do hard work, and learning vocabulary is not enough, right? As we know, this is the language. If we want to speak smoothly, we need to work on every aspects. I mean, learning vocabulary, learning grammar, speaking with the people, and working on pronunciation. There are many things we need to work. Because if you have vocabulary, let's suppose, and you are not practicing, you cannot speak English language. And if you don't have vocabulary, you are trying to speak, even you cannot speak. If you have vocabulary and even you are trying to speak, but you don't know grammar, you cannot speak this language fluently. Because if we are making a lot of mistakes, how we can speak this language fluently? And speaking this language fluently means to convey our message, so that whosoever is listening, they can understand that what we are trying to share with them, what we are trying to convey. That is the purpose of learning any language. And for that reason, we are learning English language, right? Do you have any other purpose? I hope no, right? We have only one purpose, to convey our message. Because every language work is the same, to convey our message. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.